I actually got this off the flea bay some time ago and just now getting to it because, work and lack of ambition and work. Geez, it's just like sounds just like it was almost 2 years ago. Where I do things and don't want to do them because work ends up killing me. But also the fact I work nights, so there you go. But either way, I saw this and it's been listed, relisted, 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 and relisted so many times over it's not funny. I kind of felt bad. And I think the seller sent me an offer. Actually, no. He didn't send me an offer. I sent him an offer. And he took it, so. Because he realized it's probably never going to sell. But, yeah. And I've been wanting another Dominion fan. Because it is a Dominion fan. Because you can tell by the waves of the blades. I'm not even drunk yet. I've already messed this up. But here's information, but unfortunately, there ain't much to it. If I can get it right side up. It's a model 20 something. Let me try and hold it up a little better because. There we go. I mean, when I have to use the light just for it to focus properly. It's a model 20 something. Maybe 2004, maybe a 2001, maybe a 20 something. I don't know. 110, 120 volts, 60 cycles. I think it says 50 watts. So yeah. I like the plug. And unfortunately it's cracked, but it looks like there's no exposed wiring, so just for test purposes this should be fine. And thankfully the table is plastic. So do not do what I'm doing, kids, because I am a professional twit. I wasn't ready yet, you idiot. Well, already it's going to need some help. So here's on. Stand by. You know what I gotta do? The patented Jordan U air tester. And my arm's in the way. I could just switch hands. I think I should. And running 41 watts. My 6200 of an amp. I'm not sure it oscillates because it's gonna. I think it was a little stiff. And it's a no. It's gonna need some help. It's gonna need some help. Lord's gonna need some help. I figured we'll have a little fun with the speed controller thing. So we'll turn it on. We got nothing, but. And we'll cut this on. Okay. There we go. Still running 6100s of an amp at 41 watts, so we're still good. Well, that was interesting. I mean, I only turned it a eighth of a way, and it looks like it's about ready to fucking die. I'm just curious or something. Yep, this is what I'm talking about. If you turn it too low, it'll stall. So, yeah. But in defense, this fan's gonna need some help anyway. Get the oil motored up and re-grease the oscillator. I mean, I want to keep it as it is because it actually looks pretty cool. one more spin down time. It's going to need help. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. This first look at this 1940s, 1950s Dominion Model 20-something. That it's going to need a little help. I mean, it works as it is, but it's going to need some oil. The grease, probably the oscillator gears, and it's destroyed, and everything else. I mean, I'm sure it'll be alright, but sometimes an ounce of intervention is worth a pound of cure, or something of that nature. And, yeah. So, unfortunately, these models don't have an oil pour on the front. We're going to have to work some Zagic there. And the core is going to have to be replaced because I did notice some cracks. No visible copper exposed, but you know how it is. And, well, so I think maybe if I oil it up, it'll be a little better and it won't stall out when you get to medium. So, who knows when that'll be. So, it'll be on the actually not really on the workbench, it'll be on like the to-do list. And when I get to that to-do list, then I'll get to it. And, well, and when I get to it, you'll see it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe in 2027. Of course, by that time, I'll probably all be dead by now. So, that's that. So, till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching Comic Box Open.